I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to keep track of your spending or just want to review your recent transactions, checking your transaction history on Santander is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Before changing your settings, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab section. This is usually located in the main menu at the top of the page or in the app's navigation bar. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be your checking or savings account. Step 4. View transaction history. After selecting your account, look for an option that says Transaction History or Recent Transactions. Click on it to see a detailed list of your transactions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If you need specific transactions, use any available filters to narrow down the results by date or type. You can also download the history for your records if needed. Remember, if you were using the mobile app, the layout might be slightly different, but the steps are generally the same. Happy banking!